Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my show about Python and Power BI, running scripts on Power BI. So right here, we're gonna look into how easy it is to run Python scripts on Power BI. I would start right here with the source. And as you can see clearly, right, this is the source right here. It's from a website, Wikipedia. We're using the European Football Championships. Now, you can see all the data that's right here. There are too many. There are two ways you can extract data. One, it's by using DAX, or you can also use Python, and it's a query, a script that you use that starts with let and ends with a source. I'm just giving you guys a guess, but that's gonna be on our next show. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do that. For right now, I'm just gonna show you the transformation that I did, and because we only got 5 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to make it so we can stay within the time limit. So this is the source right now. So we go back to the table, and this is how our table looks. Now you guys can see that the table is just a plain table. It's not cleaned out or nothing. You can see that we don't have a header right here. You can see all the null values. You can see this columns right here. It's all mixed with the integers and strings, and we want to clean this out so that we'll be able to get a header and to choose the columns that we want, and most likely it's going to be year and final. And you guys have noticed that over here they both have like final, and Python script. Nice thing about Python script, it automatically detects this and auto save them in different names. Now moving to the next step is change type. We're going down to the Python right now. Now this is the Python that I created. You have to import pandas as PD. Once you import pandas as PD, you write this code. You define df, which is the data frame, as equals to pandas, that's PD, that data frame, that the data set. And that is, we're using this because we did not actually import the data set through Panda scripts. It was imported through Power Query. And now going down, this script right here defines the header. It's a header script. So it tells us that we have a new header in the data frame, df, that iloc. Now iloc is used to pretty much row by row, which goes and extracts the data or the values that you want. Now it says grab the first row for the header. So this is with the code that we use, and we use the 0 right here because the initial setting, it starts from a 0 and 1. Now we say the data frame right here is equals to data frame 1 is equals to the select column, means the number of rows, right? Once we have take this out, it means all rows. But when we put one right here, it means the first row. So they say take the data less the header row. Now we go down and we define the data frame columns is equals to the new header. So this is the header right here, the new header. So it says that this is equals to this. Pretty much that's what it says, that this is equals to this. Then we go down here and we set the header row as the df header, and I gotta just clean this right out.